Magandang araw, magandang hapon mga kababayan. Muli na naman po ako mag-i-issue ng aking panibagong video blog regarding sa sinabi ni anak ni Akbayan Representative Risa Ontiveros Barakel yung tungkol sa issue ng RH bill. This is very scary. Why? Kitang-kita naman who is she working for, that is yung Planned Parenthood. What are their plans? Unang-una, ang Planned Parenthood is also funded by the Rockefeller Foundation. That is for global enslavement and total takeover of natural resources. Yung sa pagtatagumpay ng population control sa ibang bansa has major catastrophe in Western countries. Ngayon, irreversible na ngayon ang damage. Mas marami na ngayon ang mga matatanda kaysa mga bata. The key to success to a country's workforce is kailangan may mga taong capable pa or nasa working age to work. Kapag nangyari yon, matutulad tayo sa mga western countries at sa Japan, na ngayon sila mismo nagbabayad na ngayon sa mga tao just to encourage for population growth. Do not vote for candidates who are anti-life, anti-family, and anti-Christian values and morality. Mga kababayan, ang RH bill ay devil in disguise. Bakit? Dahil sa bill na yan mismo, gusto nilang illegalize ang abortion, which is wrong. Maraming kababaihan ang nagkakaroon ng sakit like mental illnesses or cancer for having abortions. Numinipis din ang kanilang uterine lining. Pangalawa, yung mga artificial birth control na yan, may mga side effects. Mas mabuti pag gumamit na lang tayo ng natural way, like yung Billings method. Bukod sa hindi na magastos, hindi pa magkakasakit. Congresswoman Barakel, nakakahiya ka. Naturing ang Catholic ka. Pero anong ginawa mo? Nagpapagamit ka sa puwersa ng kadiliman. I don't know if you are related to Father Ontiveros, SJ, Congresswoman Barakel. Pero if you are related to him, rather, you should be ashamed of yourself for being the instrument of the devil in ruining Filipino families. And I will not vote for you if you are going to run for the Senate. You are going to ruin millions and millions of young Filipinos' lives by encouraging them to engage in promiscuity, fornication, and adultery. This is a subtle attack against the family. Do not vote for candidates who are anti-life and anti-family. The future of our nation, especially the young, is at stake today. Please, do not vote for those candidates who are going to ruin the nation's future. This is a subtle attack against the Filipino family. Tutulan ang RH bill. It does more harm than good, lalo na yung artificial birth control and abortion. Kita niyo nangyayari sa Amerika ngayon at sa ibang western countries. Hindi lang maamin-amin ng proponent ng Planned Parenthood at saka ng National Abortion Rights League na maraming kababaihan na nagsusuicide dahil sa abortion. Abortion is murder. So, mas mabuti pa na gumamit na lang ng natural way dahil sa degradation na rin ng ating environment. Do not vote for candidates who are going to ruin our future, especially destruction of the Filipino families. Maging mapanuri, maging mapagmatsyag. Marami ng candidates ngayon natin ang ginagamit na ngayon ng mga Illuminati to achieve their evil goal of hostage our nation's sovereignty and constitution. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Republika ng Pilipinas.